Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said he will brook no interference in the probe of the Easter Sunday sword attack outside the Panjim club, in which a Kampal resident Rafael da Costa was seriously hurt and lost his left eye. Parrikar assured a delegation of Panjim residents led by the Deputy Mayor Kabir Pinto Makija that he will personally make sure that no outside interference and put the top police officer to supervise the case on a day-to-day basis. The Chief Minister said such incidents and culture of violence cannot be tolerated in Panjim.
I have ensured them, and I myself is very determined to see that no one interferes with the investigation. And the culprit is punished, because we can't tolerate this kind of thing in Panji. Absolutely. ती आता पळयतात आनी त्यांनी PI कडेन कर म्हणला ते कितें ते टेक्निकल तांचे कितें आहा ते पळोवन ते म्हणटा क्रायम ब्रांचे कडेन दिवं नाका म्हणून. I was thinking of giving it to crime branch, but I'll ask someone senior to monitor it on day-to-day basis. Maybe SP crime, who has a good investigation knowledge. I'll ask him to monitor it and give it to PI or some senior. The PI कडेन दिवंक येताले पळयता. I don't know the legal format. If it is permitted, I'll give it.
So will you be asking for the day-to-day updates on case investigation?
I don't have to ask day-to-day, but there will be senior officer who will do the day-to-day update and will update me maybe in 2-3 days or so.
Later, speaking to the media, Makija said they were satisfied with the Chief Minister's assurances. Early on Sunday, a large number of citizens from Panjim and across the state gathered in a silent protest against the attack to demand justice for the victims, Rafael and Raju Sarin. Fisheries Minister Avatana Furtado and two other legislators, Babush Monserrat and Vijay Sardesai, besides the Panjim Mayor Surendra Furtado, also attended the candlelight vigil, where it was alleged that the father of the accused was influencing the police to dilute the probe.
That there will be no interference from anybody in this case, okay, especially the accused's father, Mr. Steve Almeida. And we have full faith in our Honorable CM and that justice will be delivered to these two boys. And he's also going to be giving it to a senior SP in the this thing, crime or PI, to monitor it on a day-to-day basis. So we are happy with this assurance of our Honorable CM. And we have full faith in him that action will be taken and
law will take its course.
Law will take its own course and justice will be delivered to these two boys. And such an incident, he has given us an assurance that such an incident will not happen again in the city of Panjim.
So what action did the government for the Almeida?
Sorry?
You said no,
No, he has assured us that there will be no interference from anybody, however influential he might be. There will be no interference. That is his personal assurance to us. And we are happy and we are convinced with his assurance. We are thankful to our Honorable CM.